Strawberry cultivation at home in Karachi offers a rewarding experience for gardening enthusiasts. With the right knowledge and care, you can enjoy the sweet taste of freshly harvested strawberries right from your own garden. This comprehensive guide covers the basics of strawberry cultivation, including soil fertility, water management, pest and disease control, and where to source quality seeds or runners. 1. Choosing the right variety. Selecting a suitable strawberry variety for Karachi's climate is crucial. Ever-bearing varieties like Albion and Seascape are well suited to the region, providing a continuous harvest throughout the year. 2. Soil preparation. Strawberries prefer well-draining soil rich in organic matter. Prepare the soil by adding compost or well-rotted manure to enhance fertility. Aim for a slightly acidic to neutral soil pH, 6.0 to 6.8 for optimal growth. 3. Planting. Plant strawberry runners or bare root plants in late fall or early winter, providing them ample time to establish before the growing season. Ensure proper spacing about 12 to 18 inches apart, and plant them in raised beds or containers to improve drainage. 4. Water management. Strawberries require consistent moisture, especially during the flowering and fruiting stages. Water the plants deeply but avoid waterlogging, which can lead to root rot. Consider using a drip irrigation system to maintain even moisture levels. 5. Fertilization. Regular fertilization is essential for healthy strawberry plants. Apply a balanced fertilizer with a higher ratio of potassium to encourage fruit development. A slow-release fertilizer can be applied during the growing season, following package instructions. 6. Mulching. Mulch around the strawberry plants to conserve moisture, suppress weeds, and protect the fruit from direct contact with the soil. 7. Pest and disease management. A. Pests. Keep an eye out for common pests such as aphids and spider mites. Use insecticidal soap or neem oil for organic control. B. Diseases. Fungal diseases like powdery mildew can affect strawberries. Apply fungicides preventatively and ensure good air circulation around plants. 8. Pruning. Regularly remove old leaves and runners to encourage the production of healthy new growth. This also prevents overcrowding and improves air circulation. 9. Harvesting. Harvest strawberries when they reach full color and firmness. Pick them in the morning when temperatures are cooler. Gently lift the fruit to avoid damaging the plant. 10. Source of seeds or suckers. Purchase certified disease-free strawberry runners from reputable nurseries or garden centers. Cultivating strawberries at home in Karachi is an enjoyable and fruitful endeavor. By following these guidelines on soil preparation, water management, pest and disease control, and sourcing quality plants, you can create a thriving strawberry garden and savor the delicious fruits of your labor. Happy gardening!